Your car's AC's dying right now and you have no clue. That ice-cold blast you felt when the car was new, gone. Now you settle for warm air thinking it's normal. It's not. A critical part inside is being destroyed as we speak. And when it fails completely, you're looking at $800 to $1,200 at the shop. But secret number 7 coming up can stop this before it happens. And secret number 9, mechanics hate when you know this one because it cuts their profit in half. Stick around because what I'm about to show you works on every car from Hondas to Fords. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications because I drop no-nonsense car maintenance every single week. Drop a comment right now. What do you drive, and is your AC actually cold or just blowing air? I'm giving you 10 maintenance secrets that keep your AC running strong, cut your fuel costs, and prevent expensive breakdowns. Everything here is tested on American roads in our crazy weather. Secret 1. You're aiming your vents completely wrong. You jump in a hot car and blast all the vents straight at your face. Feels right, but it's killing your efficiency. You create a cold bubble around your head while the rest of the car stays hot. The temperature sensor gets confused, your compressor never cycles off, and you're burning extra gas for nothing. Here's what actually works. Point your side vents at the windows. Center vents aim up toward the roof. Cold air is heavy. It sinks naturally. When you do this, cold air spreads through the whole cabin evenly. Your car cools faster, the compressor cycles properly, and you save real money on gas. Secret 2. You're using recirculation at the worst possible time. Your car bakes in the sun, becomes an oven inside. You start it up, crank the AC, and immediately hit recirculate. Big mistake. Now, your system is trying to cool air. That's already 140 degrees. It can barely keep up. The right way is simple. Let outside air flow in for 2 to 3 minutes first. Yeah, outside air is hot, but it's cooler than the superheated air trapped in your car. After those first couple of minutes, then switch to recirculate. Your AC is now working with air that's already cooler. The difference is massive. Your car chills out way faster and your system isn't struggling. Secret 3, the 1-minute cool down before hitting the AC button. When your car sits closed up in the sun, especially in summer across Texas or Arizona, interior temps hit 140 to 150 degrees, easy. Firing up your AC against that heat hammers your compressor hard. 2 quick methods fix this. Standard method, crack all 4 windows. Leave a door open if you can. Wait 45 to 60 seconds. Hot air escapes fast and temp drops immediately. Quick method, open just a passenger window. Go to your driver door and swing it open and close 4 or 5 times with some force. Creates airflow that pushes the heat out in seconds. Either way, your AC starts cooling way faster because it's not fighting extreme heat right from the start. Secret 4, your cabin filter is choking your airflow. If your AC feels weak, no pressure, kind of wimpy, 9 times out of 10, it's a clogged cabin filter. A dirty filter blocks most of your airflow. The blower motor runs. You hear it working, but air just doesn't push through, right? Less cooling, more gas wasted. And here's the gross part. Old filters grow mold, bacteria, and funk. That nasty smell when you turn on your AC. That's what you're breathing. Solution is easy. Replace your cabin filter. For most cars, like a Civic, Corolla, Camry, or Accord, filters run $15 to $50 at AutoZone or O'Reilly. Most people can swap it themselves in 10 minutes. Usually it's behind your glove box or under the hood. Search YouTube for your exact car plus cabin filter replacement. After you change it, boom, full blast, airflow comes right back. Quick question, drop a comment. When's the last time you actually changed your cabin filter? Most people forget this part even exists. Secret 5, cleaning your condenser saves you hundreds of dollars. Your AC condenser lives up front behind the bumper grill. Looks like a radiator with super thin fins. Over time it collects dead bugs, leaves, road grime, dirt, and oil. Driving highways at night, especially through the South or Midwest, the bug splatter is insane. All that crud blocks airflow and your system can't release heat properly. When your condenser clogs up, refrigerant can't cool down like it should, pressure spikes, your compressor works way too hard under stress, and eventually it dies early. Replacing a compressor costs $800 to $1,200 depending on your car. Budget cars stay lower. Trucks and SUVs push higher. The fix is dead simple. Spray down your condenser with a regular garden hose. Normal pressure. Never use a pressure washer. The jet bends those delicate fins and ruins it permanently. Do this every 6 months, especially if you drive dirt roads or bug-heavy areas. This one simple thing can save you $1,000. Secret 6. Shutting off your AC wrong is rotting your system from inside. Most people pull in somewhere. Turn the key off. Done. But when you kill the engine with AC still running, all the moisture condensed inside your evaporator gets trapped with zero airflow. Dark, damp, sealed environment. Perfect for mold, mildew, and bacteria. In humid states like Florida, Louisiana, or anywhere coastal, this happens even faster. That funky smell the next morning when you start your AC. That's mold you're smelling. Plus moisture slowly corrodes parts from the inside out. The right way is simple. About 3 minutes before you arrive, turn off just the AC compressor. Leave your fan blowing on high. Room temp air dries out your evaporator completely, kills the moisture, stops mold before it starts. Do this every day and your system lasts years longer. Secret 7. Stop setting your temp to the absolute coldest. Tons of people crank digital AC down to 60 degrees or slam manual controls to max cold thinking the car cools faster. Total myth. What really happens is your compressor runs non-stop with zero brakes, maxed out constantly, wearing down fast. The smart setting for digital climate control is 70 to 73 degrees. For manual systems, set it somewhere in the middle, not all the way cold. At this range, your compressor works smart. It kicks on, cools things down to your set point, shuts off the rest, then cycles back on only when needed. You get lower fuel consumption, way longer system life, and you stay just as comfortable. Going super cold also dries you out and can trigger headaches. Secret 8. Run your AC every week, even in winter. If you live up north where winters are cold and you don't touch your AC for months, you're setting yourself up for problems. Your AC compressor needs oil flowing through all the parts to stay healthy. When the system sits dead for weeks or months, seals dry out, oil pools in one spot, refrigerant stops moving. When you finally turn it back on, there's real risk of parts seizing up. Easiest prevention in the world. Fire up your AC on max for 10 minutes. Once a week, no matter what season. You can do it sitting in your driveway. Don't even need to drive anywhere. Keeps everything lubed up, seals stay soft, and your system stays ready whenever you need it. Secret 9. Recharging refrigerant without fixing the leak kills your compressor. This is the most expensive mistake people make. Your AC stops blowing cold, so you head to a shop and ask for a recharge. Worst thing you can do. If your system lost refrigerant, there's definitely a leak somewhere. Could be hoses, condenser, evaporator, fittings, anywhere in the system. Pumping in new refrigerant without finding and fixing that leak is burning money. But here's the killer problem. When refrigerant leaks out, the oil that protects your compressor leaks out with it. A compressor running dry with no oil is like running your engine with no oil. It overheats fast, seizes up, and dies. Replacement runs $800 to $1,200. Here's the right way. When your AC cools less, don't just recharge it. Find a good AC mechanic who does leak detection with electronic sniffers or UV dye. Only after finding the leak and fixing it properly, then recharge with the exact amount of refrigerant and oil your car needs. This approach saves you serious money. Drop a comment if you've ever recharged your AC without checking for leaks first. You might have damaged your system without knowing it. Secret 10. Regular checkups protect your investment. The biggest secret isn't some trick. It's getting proper inspections done every 2 years or 25,000 miles. Whichever hits first, take your car to a solid AC specialist. A real inspection covers leak testing the whole system, checking compressor oil levels, measuring pressures, cleaning everything with proper chemicals, inspecting compressor, condenser, and evaporator closely. Plus, swapping your cabin filter. Right now, this full service runs $90 to $150, depending where you live and what you drive. Sounds like money, but compare that to $800 or $1,200 for a new compressor. Simple math. Pay a little now for prevention, or pay a lot later for emergency repairs. Let me hit the most important points again fast. Secret 1. Aim vents at windows and up. Never straight at your face. Secret 2. Use recirculate only after a couple of minutes of outside air. Secret 3. Dump the hot air out before you fire up the AC. Secret 5. Hose down your condenser every 6 months to keep it clear. Secret 9. Never recharge refrigerant before you find and fix the leak. Secret 10. Get full inspections every 2 years. Just these 6 things keep your AC in any Civic, Camry, F-150, Silverado, whatever you drive, running ice cold, lasting way longer, and saving you hundreds or thousands in repairs you don't need. Comment which secret surprised you most and which one you're trying first. If this helped you out, smash that like button so more drivers see this. Share it with anyone always complaining their AC sucks. You might save them $1,000. Want more straight talk on car maintenance? Subscribe and hit notifications. Thanks for watching. Drive safe. Stay cool.